Hey everybody, Chris G here, Positively Progressing. Thank you so much for tuning in and for your continued watching habits. Now, as I'm taping this video, I just hit 1,900 subscribers. I cannot thank you all enough. I truly appreciate you all continuing to watch, continuing to subscribe. I'm guessing continuing to spread the word, because I don't know how this is happening, but I do appreciate it. Much love to all you guys. Thank you. So I'm extra stoked today to introduce one of my best buds.
Hi Chris, this is Reggie Padilla here.
So Reggie and I met back in 2007 in Hawaii. Some great memories. We played in an awesome band called Family Dinner. We both met our future wives there who were friends. Now we have kids and we're still making great memories. Pretty awesome. Reggie's one of my favorite players. He really inspired me when we lived there. He continues to inspire me. He's got an amazing sound. He's got fantastic ideas. He's also a great piano player. The guy does it all. It's amazing. Currently, he's playing with Mike Love in the Full Circle.
Inside aren't we all just the same?
It's a killer group. If you haven't checked them out, go check them out. I'll link some stuff below. They're insane. Reggie also has 3 solo albums out. His latest one was a live studio recording. Do check those out. I'll link it below. During this quarantine season, Reggie's been doing a lot of Facebook Live concerts and taking requests. They've all been excellent. You'll have plenty of Reggie links down below to check out. Reggie also teaches online lessons, so if you're looking for an outstanding teacher and a fantastic human being, one of my favorites, send him a message. I'm sure Reggie would be more than happy to give you lessons and help you out with your playing any way possible. Alrighty, Reggie, what'd you send us this week?
And slower.
Ooh, ooh. But wait, there's more. Here's the line over the bridge of Night in Tunisia. Here's the line a little more up on the A section of What Is This Thing Called Love? Is that not a beautiful tone, or what? Let's break it down. So you may have noticed in these examples that this line fits really well when the 2 chord is a minor 7 flat 5 or a half diminished chord. So we're gonna break it down keeping that in mind. So think of this line starting on a leading tone to the flat 5. So we got a leading tone, we're going flat 5, 7, 9, 11. So build in that upper extension there. Going back down to the 9, going to the 3, back to the 11. That transitions us nicely to the 5 chord, starting on the flat 9, sharp 9. Then you're going down to the 1, to the 7, to the flat 13 or the flat 6, however you want to think of it, down to the 3. Then you got the sharp 9, flat 9, and then you're resolving on the 5 of the 1 chord. Pretty smooth. This is a golden nugget of a line. And that's the line. That's it. Beautiful. Remember, play it slowly. Slowly. Make sure you sing it. Warning, I'm about to sing. This guy will be proud. And then make it your own, all right? Until next time, always positive, always progressing. Later.
Stripping away labels and genres by breaking stereotypes, the limitless, luminous lightness, intuition, premonitions. With that soul fight, energy goes the highest mission. Intention connects to all 8 dimensions.